right, that was our cornbread that we cooked up and then just crumbled. Now I'm coming in with my saltines, and I'm using the minis because they are easier to crush up. And we're just gonna add about 1 to 2 cups of our mini saltines, and I'm gonna come back in with my hand mixer and give those a crunch. All right, I think those got crushed enough. We can put this away, we don't need it anymore. Now we're gonna add our Thanksgiving stuffing, and this is 12 ounces, and we're gonna add this entire thing right into our aluminum dish with our cornbread and our saltines. Yummy. This is such an easy and delicious Thanksgiving must-have in my house, and this is gonna be so good. I have my green peppers that are nice and cooked already. I like to buy the already chopped ones because it just makes my life that much easier. And then I have some onions that are already cooked up as well. And that is, once again, gonna make our life so much easier. No crying in the kitchen on Thanksgiving Day. For protein, we're gonna add a pound of shredded chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken, you can boil some chicken, whatever you want. To make sure this is moist, we have our chicken broth, and we're gonna add a generous amount of chicken broth right into our tin with our cornbread, with our saltines, with our stuffing, our green peppers, our onions, our chicken. Now you can add some cooked up celery, but I wanted this to be super easy, and they do not have the frozen celery that you can just microwave. So we are skipping the celery. It's not even my favorite anyways, and we are just doing those other 2 beautiful veggies. I absolutely love making this. It's just such a fun surprise, such a great twist on stuffing, because you have that delicious homemade cornbread. You don't have to do homemade, I just did, and it is gonna be so good. So we're adding this whole entire 6 cups of chicken broth because we want a moist stuffing. If you like yours a little bit more crunchy, a little bit more, solid, you don't have to add as much broth as me, but this is how we do it in my house. Yum. For seasoning, we're gonna start off with our poultry seasoning, and we're gonna add a generous amount of this. This adds some great flavor. This is a big serving because we have about 12 people coming over for Thanksgiving, and I wanna make sure everyone gets a taste of this delicious cornbread dressing. Yep, that's what we're making. It is a must-have for us. Now I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. This is optional, but just add some more flavor, and more flavor is always better. All right, beautiful. We're gonna add some salt. All that savoriness, we need a little bit of salt to combat it and add some great flavor. Beautiful. Now, believe it or not, this needs even more moisture, so we're adding 4 eggs that we already scrambled, and we are going to pour that right on there. And yes, I said scrambled. When you mix up your eggs, that's what makes them scrambled, not when you cook them, so keep that in mind. Okay, this is gonna be a challenge, but we are going to mix and toss everything together to make sure it gets evenly mixed together. I do not have a bowl big enough to handle all of these yummy ingredients, so I do it all in my lasagna aluminum pan. But if you have a big bowl, by all means, use your big bowl because that will be way faster than what I'm doing. But we're gonna make sure that this gets fully mixed, don't you worry. All right, I don't know how we did that, but we did it. It is all well combined. We're kind of just flattening it out so that it's not just a big mountain, but this is gonna go back in the oven. I'm so excited. And you can also make this all in the crock pot, but we're making it the easy way today. So I have my oven set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for about 40 minutes, but if you want it drier or more moist, you can adjust the time. Oh my, our cornbread dressing smells absolutely insane. Whew. All right, it is time to dig in. This is gonna be moist, amazing, tasty, everything you want for Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Cornbread, stuffing, saltines, chicken, broth, onions, green bell peppers. Oh, okay. It is time to dig in. That is so good.